The simple safety pin, an ordinary household item, holds a secret to incredible photography techniques and lighting effects. Imagine being able to capture images that transport you to another world. And it's all thanks to the humble safety pin. Photographers have long known the importance of lighting in creating stunning images. But have you ever stopped to think about the role that safety pins play in achieving those perfect lighting effects? It may seem counterintuitive, but the safety pin's unique shape and flexibility make it an ideal tool for manipulating light. From diffusers to reflectors, the safety pin's versatility knows no bounds. So, let's dive into the world of photography and explore the amazing things you can do with a safety pin. We'll start with the basics, understanding how light behaves and how it can be manipulated. Light is a form of energy that travels in waves, and it can be described in terms of its wavelength and amplitude. When it comes to photography, the key is to control the amount and direction of light hitting the subject. This is where the safety pin comes in, allowing you to create a range of lighting effects with ease. One of the most effective ways to use a safety pin in photography is as a diffuser. By bending the safety pin into a desired shape, you can create a makeshift diffuser that softens harsh light. Imagine being able to capture a beautiful sunset without the harsh shadows and intense light. It's like having a magic wand that makes all your lighting problems disappear. But that's not the strangest part. The safety pin can also be used as a reflector. By shaping the safety pin into a curved surface, you can bounce light onto your subject, creating a beautiful, soft glow. It's like having a built-in light modifier that makes your photos look like they were taken by a professional. And then something unexpected happened. I discovered that the safety pin can even be used as a makeshift lens. By carefully shaping the safety pin into a concave surface, you can create a makeshift lens that can focus light onto a specific area. It's like having a miniaturized version of a professional camera lens, and it's all thanks to the humble safety pin. This phenomenon occurs when the safety pin's unique shape and flexibility allow it to refract light in a specific way. So, what does this mean for photographers? It means that you can create stunning images with minimal equipment and a little bit of creativity. Real-world consequences of using safety pins in photography include increased flexibility and creativity. Why it matters is that it opens up new possibilities for photographers who may not have access to expensive equipment. Emotionally, it's exciting to think about the possibilities that safety pins can bring to photography. Intellectually, it's fascinating to understand the science behind how safety pins work as light modifiers. Key takeaway: the safety pin is an incredibly versatile tool that can be used in a variety of ways to achieve perfect lighting effects. If you found this fascinating, subscribe for more incredible stories like this, and don't forget to like and comment below. Want more mind-blowing facts about photography? Hit subscribe and join our journey of discovery. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.